Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing K.O.U, also known as Kepler Observation Unit from the Friday Night Funkin Mod. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's start by drawing the eyes. Start with a block-shaped curve for the top of the right eye. And then color it in black. Now draw a large oval under. Next, inside the oval, draw a curve across. And then a circle in the top right. Now let's draw the left eye in the same way here. Let's draw her hair next. Let's start with a curve down on the left in between the eyes. And then curve it back up. Now on the right, let's draw a piece of hair behind this one. Start with a curve down. And then continue this line underneath and bring it back up with a curved V. Let's add her eyebrows next. Draw triangle shapes above each eye and color them in black. Next, above each eye, let's draw a diagonal line down. And then above the right line, draw a rectangle shape for her hair clip. Next, let's draw large curved sections of hair down on either side. And now a smaller section of hair on the right. Now draw curves up on either side like this. Next, start above the head above the left eye and draw S-curves down to the lines on either side. Next, let's draw the piece of hair above her head. Start with a diagonal line up here. And then two curves over to the right. And now a line at the end to connect it. And then underneath on the end, draw a curved V shape down. Let's hop back down now and draw the shape of her face. Start under the hair on the right and draw a curve down and to the left, stopping here. And then draw a short line down. And then a longer line to the left. Let's leave this section of hair like this for now to leave room for the microphone later. Now on the left side, let's draw her ear with a curve. And add two diagonal lines inside. And then add one more curved section of hair underneath her ear. Now let's finish off her hair with a double curved section of hair under the right side of her face. Now that we've finished her hair, let's finish off her face next. Draw a curve for the mouth. and then 3 black dots on either cheek for her freckles. Let's start drawing her body next, starting with the bow under her face. Draw a small curve here under the mouth. And then rectangles angled down on either side. Now add a curve inside the bottom of each. Let's draw the ends of the bow next. Start with diagonal lines down on the left. And then a V shape in between at the bottom. And do the same down for the right side. Next, add diagonal lines on the left and the right for the sides of her body. Let's draw her left arm and hand holding the microphone next. Start with a diagonal line down on the left here. Now in the space we left here at the top earlier, draw a large curve for the microphone. And then a curve at the bottom. Now add some curved detailed lines inside the microphone head. Next, at the bottom left, draw 3 fingers going down on an angle like this. Next, let's draw the thumb on the right here, overlapping the microphone a bit if you need. And then erase the lines inside. Next, add another curve inside here under the microphone head. And now draw the bottom of the microphone with a curved rectangle at the bottom of the hand. And lastly, draw a line from the hand to the arm line we drew earlier to finish off the elbow. Let's finish drawing her body and her legs next. Draw a curve down from either side of her body. Now in between, draw a curve over and down for the side of her left leg. Next, under the top of this line, draw another curve for the other leg, making this line a little bit shorter than the left side. Let's draw the outside of the left leg now. Start with a curve out and then down. This line should stop a little bit higher up than the inside of the leg. Now draw the outside of the right leg, but this line should be around the same length instead of shorter. And then add curves at the bottom to close off the legs. Let's add the details inside the body and legs next. Draw a curved border inside the bottom of each foot. And then a curve on the inside here on top. Next, add 2 curved lines at the top of the left leg. And then 2 on the right leg, but curving down instead of up. Next, add small ovals on the knees. And then a curved line down on the left overlapping the oval. And then erase the line inside. Now do the same thing on the right. Next, in the middle of her body, draw a rectangle shape here. And then a smaller rectangle above it. Now add curved rectangle shapes on each hip. And lastly, an angled line along the left side of her body here next to the bow. Lastly, let's draw her right arm. Draw a long curve down and out on the right. And now add a wavy line under here. And one more curve to close off the arm and the two fingers like this. Next, let's add one more curved point on top for the other finger. Now let's add some details on this arm now. Draw a line across the top of the arm. And then two rectangles underneath here. And that's it for K.O.U. Now let's quickly color her in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!